Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to convert a Google Docs document into a PDF. So to do that, go ahead and open up the Google Doc you want to convert to PDF, and then go up to File, go down to Download, and then select PDF Document. And this will convert and download the PDF document for you. As you can see in the bottom left of my screen, I have the PDF document downloaded, but if this option does not appear for you, for whatever reason, you don't see this pop up, what you need to do is make your way to File Explorer and then go to Downloads, and the PDF should be available as your most recent download. Go ahead and select it if you want to open it. You can open it through your File Explorer, or you can open it if you were to select the bottom left. They both open the same file. And then here is the PDF that we just downloaded. And that is a quick video on how to convert a Google Docs document into a PDF. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.